Good morning, children. Welcome to the Google Classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. So today we will study grammar. We will study nouns. So you know everything in this world. Let it be anything. Let it be a person or a place, an animal or a thing. Let it be anything. Everything is named. Let us take the present situation. The deadliest thing that is affecting our lives now, that we are speaking online now. Which is that deadliest thing? It is the virus. Which is that virus? Corona. So the name given to that virus is Corona. See, the name given to that virus. So everything is named. So noun, it is a naming word, or the words that name a person, place, an animal or things. So there are different types of nouns. And today we are mainly focusing three nouns. They are the proper nouns, common nouns and the collective nouns. So proper nouns. Let's move to proper nouns first. Proper nouns are the special name. They are the special name given to a person, place, an animal or thing. A particular or specific name. Whereas the common nouns, they are the nouns or they are the words that are commonly given. That the words or the nouns that are used to refer to a person, place or animal or thing in general. When we want to refer to a class or kind of persons, places, animals, things, etc. So those words are called common nouns. Let me give you some examples so you get a clear-cut idea of what a common and what a proper noun is. For example, who is the head of our institution? The head of our institution is principal. So persons who are the head of any education institutions are called the principal. So that is the name given to the head of the institutions. So it's a common name. And that is the common noun. Principal. The word principal is the common noun. And what's the name of our principal? The name of our principal is Arun. Arun sir. So that name, special name given to the principal is the proper noun. When I was studying in school, the name of my principal was Manjubash. So Manjubash is the special name and the word principal is the common name. Let me come to the teachers. Who are teachers? Teachers are the persons who indulge in the profession of teaching. Persons who teach us. They are called teachers in general. So it's a common name. But all these teachers have names, special names, their own names. For example, my name is Remya and there are many other teachers in our school who all possess names. So names, special names are called proper nouns. And the words that are used in general to name or to refer to a class or kind is called common nouns. And let me come to you students. Student, the word student again is a common noun. The word student, it is a common noun. And the students, it can be again classified into boys and girls. So students are those persons who come or attend the school for studies. So they are called students. So it is a common name. And whereas boys are the persons or those who have the features of male are called boys. So it is a common name. And let me give you some examples for proper nouns. Names of boys can be Arav, Vaishnav, Abhinav, Ehan. All these are special names or particular names given to those boys. So that special names are called proper nouns. Let me come to girls. I didn't forget you. Girl or girls is a common noun. Whoever has the features of female, those persons are the features of female are called girls. So they are the common noun or the common word. And let me give you some examples for common nouns, for proper nouns. Names of girls like Kalyani, Ashida, Hadia, Olivia. So all these are the names of the girls. They are the special name given to the girls. And these are the names of children I have taught last year. That's why I recollect their names. Okay. So now I think you have understood what is a proper noun and what is a common noun. Name given in general is called common nouns, and the specific names or the special names are called proper nouns. Now let me move to the collective noun. Collective noun is the one name given to a collection of persons, places, animals or things. So it is a one name given to a collection of persons, places, animals or things. It is a name given to a group of people, group of persons, places, animals or things. For example, a fleet of ship, a flock of sheep, a bunch of keys, a bunch of grapes. All these are collective nouns. Fleet, bunch, all these are collective nouns. So for example, I will give you in a sentence. A fleet of ship has arrived at Cochin port. Or a bunch of keys is lying on the floor. So that bunch, fleet, the word bunch and fleet are the collective nouns. They are used in order to refer to a group of things. Name given to refer to a group of things. So such names are called collective nouns. So I hope you understood what is the proper noun and a common noun, and also the collective nouns. So a worksheet has been attached. So try work out that activity worksheet, because it's taken from your text. So once the school reopens and when you receive the text, you can mark these answers in the text. So file your answers. We'll discuss the answers in the next class. Study the chapters every day. See you in the next class. That's all for today. See you in the next class. Thank you, children.